Good morning, my favorite students. I miss y'all big, 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 big. I just wanted to take a few minutes, one, to say hi, and then I miss you. Let you see my face. I'm in our classroom. It's kind of empty because I've kind of moved some things around and stuff. But I wanted to show you the quizzes stuff. Some of you had a little issues getting on and doing your work. Guys, this is the same quizzes that we use in the class. It's the same thing, but you have to go to the stream on Google Classroom and make sure that you're connected to the class. So make sure you go to the stream. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to move my big face out of the way. But hi, everybody. And I'm going to show you on the stream on each one of y'all's Google Classroom. There's right here in the middle. I don't know if you can see what I'm pointing to, but right there in the middle where it says quizzes, there's a link right there. If you click on that, that'll give you a class invite to quizzes, and you go and you join that class. Each class has its own one. So if I go to Madison's class, I scroll down, it's right there in the middle again. I posted it May the 10th. Okay, and then you go to your classwork and your bell ringers are there. You can see what's scheduled for you. So today's bell ringer is there. You click on the link and it should take you to the quiz. You do the quiz and then submit the quiz to me. Okay, like it should pull up. I'm gonna click on it, see what it does. So you have to make sure you're in your account and allow everything. And then it should take you to your quiz and start the game. Okay. And then if you start the game, you have the deadline till tonight to do it. And you'll know how to play this. You'll know what to do. And you answer each of the questions. Okay. Place value and slow down. It tells me how much time you're taking. So if you're taking 7 seconds to answer a question, I see it. And so if you're taking 7 seconds and you're getting them all wrong, I know that. So slow down, take your time, and do what you need to do as you know to do. It's a game. We're having fun, but we're still keeping our minds engaged. Guys, be honest. This is a third grade quiz. This is not fourth grade. This is third grade. I need you to take your time and do what you need to do. Okay? I'm gonna stop that. On Friday, you'll see something that's a little bit different. It's a PowerPoint. I think there's one on. No, that's next week's. That's Monday and Tuesday of next week. The end of the week, check-in is on Friday. Sorry. On Monday, you'll have a Google slide. So on the slide, you'll enter your answers, and then you'll submit it back to me. Okay, just like you would for Miss Madison, you would resubmit the document back to me. Make sure the document's attached or there, or I'm not going to be able to see it. And y'all know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know what I can and can't see. Okay. And then the one on Friday, next week, Tuesday, I've got them all scheduled all the way through next week. All the way through next Tuesday is an end of the year memory book, and it kind of just goes through. I don't even know if I can pull it up from here to show you. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, so it kind of shows you, like it kind of lets you type your name and then 10 things about me in fourth grade. So some of your favorite things, like your school lunch, you can look at each one. I'm pointing to the screen like y'all can see me pointing to the screen. Your favorite read aloud, your favorite foods, all the different things, and then 9 tips to survive fourth grade. So for my incoming fourth graders, what kind of tips would you give them to survive fourth grade? 8 of your friends. It has a place for you to put pictures. I don't know if you'll be able to do that, but you can try, and you can put their names. 7 things I remember about our classroom. So you can make a map of our classroom and then type out 7 little things on the side that you remember about our sweet classroom. 6 words to describe fourth grade. So you're using some adjectives instead of describing words there. 5 books I love. 4 words to describe my teacher, and that's me. So you're talking about me here. So my teacher always says, and then over to the side, you can, type something about me or whatever. Be nice. Be nice. 3 things you learned, 2 things you'll never forget, and 1 reason why 4th grade is the best. Okay, so you have all those things you can do. Let's see if this will take me back to my Google Classroom. Okay, so you have all of those things and that you can do. That'll be posted Tuesday of next week, I think. That's when I have it scheduled to post. So that'll be a little fun thing for you to do. And I'm hoping that everybody jumps on and does that. I'm having some trouble with some people getting on and doing some things. If you see a friend or you talk to a friend, tell them, hey, jump on Miss Shafiq's Google Classroom, get your work done, make sure you're getting some things done, okay? What else do I need to tell you? I don't know. Stop playing on my Google Classroom. You know who you are. That's not a place to have a conversation or to be playing. That's for work. If you want to tell something to me, that's fine. If you want to say hey to a friend, that's fine. But to constantly go on and on and on, nope, that's not fine. We're not playing on my Google Classroom. That's not the place. That's not the time. What else? I just wanted to talk to y'all. I'm bored. I'm done with all my master's classes. I'm graduated. My daughters are graduated. So now we're all sitting around doing nothing. I come up here to school and try to do some stuff. Don't know what to do. If you get this today and you see it today, we're doing cookies for 4th graders at 11:30. So come by and see me. Say hi. Wave. Remember, stay in your car. Wave. And we'll do cookies for 4th graders. Okay? I'm looking at my time. I know I'm like ducking and weaving and bobbing, but I'm looking at my time over there because I only have so much time. What else? I just wanted to talk to y'all and let you see that I am here. I am paying attention. I do look at your quizzes. Oh, I wanted to show you. I knew there was something else. For email, I am trying to send you feedback to your the little bell ringers that I had sent you. So if you go to your Clever page, it should look similar to this. It probably doesn't look exactly like mine, but there should be. Where's it at? I don't even know if it's in my stuff. No, probably not. Oh. Okay. Somewhere in here. Oh, Google Apps. It's probably here. Email. I don't know if yours shows this or not, but if it shows this, you can click on the email and go into your email. And I don't know that I really want you into my email and sign in, and then you should be able to check your email. Okay, through that way. And then that should show you the feedback that I have left. Also, some of you are not getting on Prodigy, or you're getting on Prodigy sporadically. Like, guys, if you want to keep up those math skills and be ready for 5th grade, you need to get on Prodigy. That Prodigy is going to get you ready, and I'm going to keep it open all summer long so you can get on Prodigy. Get on Prodigy. Get on. Don't worry about Zern. Y'all keep saying, I don't have a password to Zern, and I don't have this, I don't have that. Don't worry about Zern. Quit worrying about Zern. Get on Prodigy. Get on Prodigy. Let it build you up to your grade level, because it's showing me what grade level you're at. And some of you aren't even at 4th grade right now. Get there. Let's go. All right. So I'm going to quit fussing. All right. I guess I'm going to let you go. All right. If you need anything, reach out to me. Google Classroom, Class Dojo. I try to answer as fast as I can. I am kind of tied up doing things at the school, helping the administration with some things. So if you need me, I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Okay. All right. I love you guys. I will see you soon.